In this video, I'm going to show you how to place your Serpentine belt on this Lexus IS250. Located on the front of your engine, let's get started. Now we have to remove this cover, and it's just held on with a bunch of push clips, so we'll go around, pop them all out with a trim tool, and then remove the cover. Using a 14mm socket and ratchet, or a breaker bar, or a serpentine belt tool, release tension off of the tensioner that's down here. Once you pull back on it, you should be able to remove the belt off of the closest pulley that you can get to. Once you have it off, release your tool. Just keep in mind it has quite a long throw, so you want to make sure that you're going to be able to release your tool once it goes back. Okay, take that off and remove the belt the rest of the way. You can reach around the other side to do that. And there it is. Let's get our belt on. Here's the diagram of the belt routing on the screen. You can reference that when you put it on. You want to make sure it's following the correct path, otherwise it won't fit. I'm going to start on the crank, and then I'll go from there. I like to do that because this is the largest pulley and probably the most difficult one to access on this vehicle. I'm going to have to release some tension to get the belt over the water pump. Then I'll reset my ratchet, release more tension so I can get it underneath this idler. Double check that the belt is seated on all the pulleys in all the ribs. It is for me, so I'm going to remove my tool. Now reinstall this cover and put back all the push clips that held it on. And that's installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.